and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new unboxing for today, and also we've got a new gaming accessories. Alright, so here it goes, guys. So I've got this from Ali. Yes, Timo. I got this from Timo, and yeah, it's a big box, right? There's a big box over here. So okay, and also yeah, you're gonna have to check this out. Right, we got a new controller right over here, and we're gonna have to check it out. What is this? Okay, so I'm in a hurry today because I gonna have to work at 12, so I'm gonna have to get out early. Okay, so yeah, so this is just only an unboxing. All right, it is also I'm gonna be having a quick impression for this one. All right, so okay, I'm gonna have to change the angle of the camera so that you will see all the details of this controller. All right. Alright everyone, so let's go, gonna have to open this up. So okay, then let's gonna have to check it out. This new controller for my Nintendo Switch. Oh, they got an official box. Okay, they got an official box. Okay, gonna have to keep this one. Okay, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. Okay, wireless oops, sorry. uh, Wireless gaming controller. So I'm gonna have to expand. Okay, here it goes. We've got the PXN P50. What is this one? Whole joystick. We got the wireless gaming controller. So what is in here? Is all over Chinese, right? Is all over Chinese. So we got the features. Okay, we got the English, compatible with Nintendo Switch and PC, supporting both wireless and wired connection. Developed with advanced app for buttons programming. Whole magnetic induction joystick, no wear nor drift. Supports one button to wake up Nintendo Switch. Built-in 6-axis gyroscope for precise motion controlling games. Built-in NFC chip for native playing of NS games, Nintendo Switch, right? With asymmetrical dual motor adjustable vibrator intensity, built-in 550 mAh lithium battery, and intelligent power saving to the gamepad last longer. All right, so let's sorry. Okay, let's go. Gonna open this. Wait, it is a magnetic. Okay, we're gonna have to check this out, right? And then at the bottom, right over here, at the top. All right, so they got some also at the top. Okay, gonna have to check it out. Oh, nice. Oh, still got a box right over here, right? So we're gonna have to check that out. Yep, so nice. Okay, they got a nice box, right? PXN is the brand, right? So we've got some paperwork, so just gonna have to check that out. Manufacturing service for this one. We've got this one. Thank you. We got some. Dear gamer, hi, thank you for choosing our products. As you can see, we specialize in designing a product gaming purpose as fellow gamers. We take meeting the nerds of players or seriously. At the same time, we are so looking forward to communicating with more players. If you have any suggestion, feedback, or suggestions about our products, please feel free to contact us via email on our PXN official website. Oh, okay. So I hope in the near future, PXN, you're gonna be, sponsoring my video, right? So but this is not a sponsored video, right? This is not a sponsored video from PXN. So I bought this on my own money. So if you are interested collaborating with me, PXN, just I have my email below in my description, right? So okay, and then let's go, gonna have to check this out. Okay, so we got some. Right over here is the charging cable, right? So we got the charging cable. Yeah, it's a type C. All right, it's a type C. All right, so I have bunch of type C cables all. Okay, so yeah, and there's also we've got some right here. We still have some. Okay, don't have any more accessories. So all right, so here it goes. This is the controller. Ooh, like nice. I like this one. Oh, we've got the mapping button right over here. Okay, and yes, Okay, I'm gonna have to take the box off. Okay. So alright, so here it goes. We've got a new controller. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's so comfortable to. It's so comfortable to, you know, to hold. Right. So it is. We got. They got some a classic style. They got a classic style of the D-pad, right? So they got the classic style of the D-pad, right? So yes, yeah, perfect, nice. I love that. Yeah, it's so soft. Yeah, and it's so clicky. Yeah, and then about the Joy-Con, yeah, feels good. No ghost drift, no drifting, right? You got the XYBA. Yes, classic style of a controller. So I chose this color is because it is so classic, right? So it is so a classic one. So let's go. Gonna have to check that out right over here. Yeah, they got a nice shoulder button and trigger button, right? Yeah, and then okay. So I'm gonna have to check that one right over here. So yeah, yeah. But this one right here, so comfortable, because it is so big. Yeah, compared to this one, it's so small, right? And we've got the USB port and also the pairing button right over here. We've got the mapping button, right? So M1 and M2. Yes, and also we've got the from the Nintendo Switch, this one right over here, minus and plus. So yeah, for the menu button, I think the plus button for the menu. So we got the home button right over here, and I think this for the recording, record. And this one right here, I don't know what this one. Okay, so yeah, but I think this is the pairing, right? So if you want to pair your Nintendo Switch, so yeah, so I guess because yeah, I don't have time. Okay, so I'm gonna make a review for this one, right? Also, so far my first impression for this one is yeah, it really feels comfortable with the hands, right? It really feels comfortable, and also this is a nice one. Yes, a nice, yeah. I really love the style of the, yeah. I really love the font style, the print, the font style print of the letters. I really like it. Right, nice. So it a retro kind of yeah, yeah, nice, perfect. So really feels comfortable, right? And it's also, yeah, I really love the Joy-Con also, right? Yeah, and this one. Oh, can you see that? It's so clicky, right? So perfect. I really like this one, right? Yep, PXN. So if you are interested if you want, if you're interested buying some PXN accessories, gaming controllers, so I'm gonna link down below the description, right? I'm gonna link down below the description of this PXN, right? So next is gonna be the review for this one. All right, so okay, right, okay. Here it goes. Here is the PXN wireless controller for your Nintendo Switch and PC, right? So it's not this is not gonna be working on PlayStation and Xbox, right? So I think so. Okay, I think that's it for this vlog, and also I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more, because because I'm gonna be having a review for this one, right? So we're gonna have to test it, right? I'm gonna have to test it by fighting games like Dragon Ball, and also racing games like Asphalt, right? So I have so bunch of games, and also I also make some game reviews right over here on my channel. So stay tuned for more. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned, and see you again in the next video, everyone.